Take a look. See that? There's a track. There's that great big bridge. Beautiful bridge. See that? You see? This is the George Washington Bridge. See that? Big bridge. And you get a view. See? Beautiful. So nice. This view. It's so nice. I love it. It's pretty. Leads to the park. The River Park Bridge. Yeah. It's beautiful. A lot of trees around this area. Here in New York City. Upper Manhattan area. Today is not so hot. It's in the 70s. The weather is great. Great today. I'm loving it. Awesome. Well, thanks for stopping by with me. Check out someplace else in New York City. I've never been to this spot before, and trust me, it's wonderful. You can see boat is cruising out there. Yeah.